Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look, and if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. My lip moisturizer today, I have used this Organic Harvest lip balm. I always like going with my eye makeup first, as in case of any fallouts I don't want it to get all over my foundation. For my eyeshadow base today I have used the Color Essence Pan Stick in shade beige, and to set the eyeshadow base I have used my favorite L'Oreal Infallible setting powder. For the eye look today, I have used my favorite Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. Using this pack blending brush, I will be taking the color Eden from the palette, and this shade is so beautiful. It transfers so beautifully on the skin. I mean, it looks really light into the pan, but then it transfers what it shows. You know, the color payoff is beautiful, and this shade looks really nice during the daytime. So I have used this as a lighter transition shade, and later on we will be darkening the shade even more. I have tried to create a soft cut crease look here, and for that, using this bigger shading brush, I have just applied the shade Desert Sand into the eyelid, so that you know the next color that we'll be applying on the lids pops really well. And this Desert Sand color applies like butter. It's so smooth and so beautiful. For the eyelid, I have used this Angelic shade. This is such a beautiful shade, and I feel the best way to apply any pressed pigment is your finger, because that gives you the maximum output. To give more depth to the crease, we will be using shade Quid, and using it into the crease and the transition, we will just be blending it out. And after cleaning the under eye with the Kara Skin Vibes, I have straight went into the primer. And for primer today, I have used this Nivea Men cream, and oh my goodness, this works so well with keeping the foundation intact for a really long time. For my foundation today, I have used Maybelline Fit Me Natural Beige shade, and this is a great foundation for my combination skin type. And when I'm in a hurry to get ready, I use this oval brush, as this makes my work so much easier. This blends the foundation really well and really quick. And then using a damp beauty blender, I have just pushed this foundation into the skin to give it a really natural and airbrushed look. My contour today, I have used Sephora Sculpt Stick, and this is a gorgeous color, a perfect shade of warm and cool for my skin tone, and this works really well during the winters, because you know this is a stick form, so this is also moisturizing to the skin. And after applying the stick on the usual contours of my face, I have used a smaller oval brush to blend it in. Concealing and highlighting of the under eye area, I have used my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind in shade medium, and I have only applied it into the inner corner of the eye and the outer section, because this is a daytime look and I didn't want to go overboard. And for setting my concealer, I have used the same Infallible powder. For setting my contour today, I will be using my Bahama Mama powder, and I love this powder. You can see why this is my favorite, because I have almost used it all up, and this works so well on our Indian skin. For my nose contour today, I have used this smaller foundation brush, which is a more concentrated bristle brush, and this works really well for that defined nose contour. For a quick eyebrow fill-in, I love using Lakme Absolute Eyebrow Pencil, because the best part of this is that there's this pulley on one end and then there is this pencil on the other side. It makes the whole process really easier. And I'm a fan of a basic winged eyeliner, and for that I have used Nykaa liquid eyeliner this time, and this was my first time using it in fact, and I must say that this stayed intact for at least 8 to 10 hours, you know, and this was very impressive. Applying blush, I love this brush. This is from Real Techniques, and this is a powder blush brush, and the blush palette that I have used today is Makeup Revolution's blush palette, and this is a gorgeous palette for daytime looks, because the shades are very light, so it doesn't, you know, gets in your face during the daytime. Also the highlighter shades are brilliant, so I have used one of the highlighters from the same palette using this smaller face brush. For my mascara, I have used my another favorite Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. Lipstick today I have used this Swiss Beauty Pink Blossom, and this is such a gorgeous pink shade, and you know, almost a touch of nude and pink, so this is really beautiful. The formula is good. It's not like a high-end brand obviously, but then it does the job and the color is beautiful. This was the finished look, you guys, and I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment of how you found the video and let me know if you want to do any other looks. I would love to do it for you all. See you in my next one. Till then, bye.